John 3, verse 5 to 6. I tell you the truth, no one can enter the kingdom of God unless he is born in water and spirit. The flesh gives birth to flesh, but the spirit gives birth to spirit. John 3, verse 5 to 6. John 4, verse 41. Because of his words, many more became believers. John 4:41. John 4:48. Unless you people see miraculous wonders and signs, Jesus told him, no, you will never believe. John 4:48. Corinthians 15:33. Do not be misled. Bad company corrupts good character. 1 Corinthians 15:33. 1 Corinthians 14, verse 39 to 40. Therefore, my brothers, be eager to prophesy. And do not forbid speaking in tongues. But everything should be done in fitting and accordingly way. 1 Corinthians 14, verse 39 to 40. 1 Corinthians 13, verse 4 to 7. Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud, it is not rude, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered, it keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always hopes, always trusts, always perseveres. Corinthians 13, verse 4 to 7. James 3, verse 18. Peacemakers who sow in peace raise a harvest of righteousness. James 3, verse 18.